You don't want to become this.
I want to become this, I think.
No, not at all, not at all. You want to become that. What those people have been selling you, and you think I am the same. I am not. This is all that I am saying.
That's the point. You want to become that, and there just put on picture. And you feel you are that, so you...
I am not that. Well, how can I convince you that I am not that?
There's no way you can convince
No,
me.
I can. I'll be doing great injustice, you see, to what I have come into. I have no reason, under no circumstances, for anything in the world, I will falsify that. I don't give a damn for all those teachers who existed before me. I'm going to say it until the end of the day. They were con men. They conned themselves into that and conned the whole of mankind, and we are going to pay a heavy price for their con game. If you want, you see, free yourself from that con game. Not for me. I'm not interested. You can make a living. Sell Buddha. Sell a prostitute. It is better. She has a very important place in the society, a prostitute. You may condemn it. You may replace it with a call girlism. Girls, what are they? They are not prostitutes? Come on, mister. Why does it strike you? Please leave me alone. I'm going to say this. I don't care. Are you the only one who has come to? I don't care what they said. This is what I am saying. I am going to say. I don't want to talk to you. This is why I have chosen this one. Not that I want to become famous all of a sudden. You see, that is too silly. You know. To sell something, you see, to people is ridiculous. What are you saying? What are you saying, buddy? I don't care. If you want to make a living selling Buddha, it's a different matter. Selling a girl. Hey, yeah, sell the girl. Better. This is what your guru is doing, running a brothel. Call it a tantric center. I was not fooled by those fellows. If you want to fool yourself, it's your privilege. I can't take that away from you. When that man sat there on the platform and looked down upon us all, you pitiful sinners, I'm here, I want you to kick that bus. What is it that you have, buddy? What do you have that this fellow doesn't have? I'm telling you, I'm not anything that you are not. That is why I'm able to sit with you.
This.
Yes. That is not my life's energy.
Life vitality.
It's all life. And that's the death stop. Filthy. The teachings of spiritual teaching. You have to vomit it out of your system. False. You know, you can't vomit it, you can't swallow it. It's like a ghee boiling. It's stuck there. You get so. I'm sorry. Go there, do what you like. Don't leave me alone. I'm telling you, I'm not anything that you are not. I mean it, every word of it. If those jokers sold something telling you that they were different, too bad. You want to swallow that?
My tragedy is that I don't want to listen to you.
No, you don't want to listen.
Because I'm in pursuit of that
con game.
That game.
Con game, sorry.
Yeah. So isn't it absurd that I come to you and want to listen to you and I don't listen to you?
You are not listening to me. I am not fooled by you. You can fool yourself.
I'm not listening.
Yes, no. You are looking at me through those eyes and you say you question my behavior patterns. You are not holy, you are not kind, you are not nice, you get angry. You are this, that, and the other. I am not that. You see, have I at any time told you that is an enlightened man? You first stick a label, that filthy label on me, and you don't find, you see, my actions fitting into that one. Huh? Isn't it bad? Too bad. Hey, that's the kind of biography you are going to write? No, sorry, no.
What biography? What
I don't know.
What the hell did I do? Out of nowhere.
Unprovoked aggression.
Yeah, unprovoked aggression. Julie, save me. Save me from this animal. He's mauling me. Save me. Nowhere. Out of nowhere, this cloudburst. Why do you call a tiger to your house and put him in a bedroom and then he mauls you? Parekh Saab, why do you call a tiger to your house and put him in your bedroom, then he comes out and mauls you when you're not ready? Huh?
Lamb.
Lamb. You have to come like a lamb, otherwise we won't let you in.
So, but in the circus, lamb and tiger, they
Same.